Hi everyone, welcome to another session of GCSE Maths. In this tutorial, we're going to look at algebraic fractions. So here we go some examples. Example number 1, it says simplify 4 times m plus 7 divided by m plus 7 all squared. Now, if we go something like this, and we have to simplify these fractions, what we have to do is we have to work out the highest common factor. So keyword is here highest and common factor of the both terms are the numerator and denominator. Work out the highest common factor of 4 times m plus 7, which is the numerator, and m plus 7 whole square, which is the denominator. Now 4 times m plus 7 and the factors of this term would be 4 times m plus 7 and m plus 7 whole square. Factors of this term would be, here we go, power 2, so we can write m plus 7 times m plus 7. Now what is the highest common factor between these two terms? We go 4 times m plus 7 and we go m plus 7 and m plus 7. So we can take m plus 7 as common and highest factor. Now divide numerator and denominator by m plus 7 to simplify this term. So here we have 4 times m plus 7, and then we are dividing top and bottom by m plus 7, as m plus 7 is the highest common factor. So 4 times m plus 7 divided by m plus 7, m plus 7 all squared divided by m plus 7. So we can cancel this m plus 7 with this m plus 7. And if we cancel this m plus 7 with m plus 7 all squared, we are left with m plus 7. So we go 4 at the top and then we go m plus 7. So this is the simplest form of this fraction. And this is our answer. Now moving on to next example. Example number 2. It says simplify x squared plus 5x plus 4 divided by 4x plus 16. So here we go a quadratic equation, because we go power 2 of x, hence it has got two solutions. So we have to factorize the numerator. We also have to factorize the denominator. Factorize numerator and denominator. So we'll have to look for factors of numerator and denominator. So factors of x squared plus 5x plus 4 is x plus 4 and x plus 1. So how we work out the factors of 4 is we'll have to look for a product of two numbers that gives number 4 or positive 4, and it also gives positive 5x. So here I showed you the working out. So factors of 4 would be 1 times 4, or it could be 2 times 2. So if you look at the top one, if we multiply these two numbers together, 1 times 4 will be 4. So that would give me positive 4. And then if we add these together, 1 plus 4 would be 5. So that gives me 5x. So the way we write, so we just put two sets of brackets. And then we put x here, x there. And then we put 4 and 1. So if we multiply these two together, we'll have this positive 4. And if we add them, this together, 4 plus 1, we'll have 5. So the easiest way to check whether it's correct or not, if we expand these two brackets, then we should have this quadratic equation. Similarly, factors of 4x plus 16 would be 4 times x plus 4. So here is the working out of the factors of 4x. We can write 4 times x. And factors of 16 would be 1 times 16, 2 times 8, or 4 times 4. Now to factorize these, what we have to look for is the highest common factor between these two terms. So here we go 4 times x, and here you go 1 times 16, 2 times 8, 4 times 4. So highest common factor would be highest, which is 4 is highest here, and then we go 4 here as well. So this is the highest and common between these two terms. So we go 4 and 4. So we can take the 4 out, and then we have to divide the whole term by this 4. So 4 and 4 will cancel out, then we're left with x. And then 4 goes 4 times in 16. Hence we go x times x plus 4. So now we substitute these simplest forms on this fraction. So at the top we'll have this x plus 4, x plus 1, x plus 4, x plus 1. And at the bottom we go, instead of 4x plus 16, we'll have 4 times x plus 4. Yeah, so here we got that. Now we can cancel this one with this one. So at the top we'll have x plus 1, and at the bottom we'll have 4. So this is the simplest form of this fraction, and this is our answer. Yeah, so that's it from me for today. If you guys got any question, please feel free to ask in the comment box, and please subscribe for next video. Thank you for watching.